Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about how to post on a page after adding a foreign admin. In my previous video, I taught us how to add a foreign admin on our Facebook page. So this video will actually educate us on how to operate a page from an ineligible country. This is something that has actually thrown people haywire. This is something that people find very difficult to do. If you are monetized on Facebook, you will know that in November 2023, Facebook actually demonetized a lot of pages who had foreign admins and who had task access to their pages. So this is a professional advice to you. If you want to monetize your page, I will always advise that you go with an agency. Find an agency, give them either 20 or 30% of your earnings, and they will do the bulk work for you. Now, this is what I mean. If you monetize with an agency and per adventure, Facebook decides to demonetize pages, the agency will do the bulk work in trying to get your page monetized again because they have a lot of pages under them. So they will do the bulk work to do what? Monetize your page again. That is why it's always better to monetize with an agency rather than finding someone abroad and monetizing your page with them. Now, if you monetize with people abroad, there are some consequences that may actually affect you. Some of the consequences is trying to take your page from these people. So most people, when you start making money on Facebook, when you start seeing Facebook money, you want to take your page from the person that is monetizing it for you because you'll be making a lot of money. And this is where the problem comes. The person will not release the page because they were there for you when you were making nothing. Now that you are making money, you want to take the page away from them. That is where problem always comes in. And this is where most people lose their page. So I just want to make this video to address this. Now, if you monetize with an agency, what the agency will do is that they will sign an agreement with you. And the agreement will say that they will have your page for 2 years, 1 year, 6 months, and there will be written agreement and everything will be signed. And all you have to do is to operate your page. Most agencies will give you full access to your page. I post with full access and nothing happens to my page. All right. So these agencies, they have a system that works. They are monetizing some of the biggest content creators in Nigeria, in Africa, and beyond. So finding an agency is the best for you. Okay, I will still make a video on how to post with task access. It still works. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but there's always problem with the task access issue because Facebook don't want people who are in ineligible country to earn money on Facebook. That is how they have programmed their system. So there will always be breaches. And when breaches come, people that are monetizing this page for you abroad, they don't have the full knowledge of how Facebook work, and your page will be demonetized. So to save yourself the stress of going through that process, I will advise you look for an agency, give them 30% or 20% of your earnings and monetize your page. This is the best advice I will give. My next video is going to teach you how you will be posting from task access for those who want to actually know. I hope this video was helpful. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Stay safe.